guys, and today we'll be making banana pancakes. So easy and delicious. Let's start cooking. First we'll need 1 egg. We will crack this egg and put it into our measuring cup. Once finishing that, we'll add in our pancake mix. About half of the mix inside of the bottle. And we'll pour it in with the egg. Now we will add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder into our mix with the egg and pancake mix. Once we have added in our baking powder, we will add in a cup of milk. We will also add the milk into our mixture, and then once we're done with that, we will start to stir it and mix it together. We will just keep on mixing and mixing and mixing until it's smooth with no batter pieces behind. It will look like this once there's no batter behind and it's nice and smooth. Very nice. I will now pick 1 banana from my fruit basket, and we will chop it up into some slices. I will first cut it open, as shown right now, then peel off the slice that I cut open, and then I'll cut through it instead of cutting into slices. And we will continue this and cut it into 4 parts. I will now put on some oil, but only a little bit, you don't need that much. And then I'll place all 4 banana slices onto our pan. Then I will get my mixture and pour it into the middle to make it a pancake. Some bananas might be submerged, but it's okay. You don't need to take them out and place them on the top. But for now, I'll place on my lid and let them cook until they have air holes. I will then make sure it doesn't stick to the pan by removing the sides. Then I will get my plate, put it over the banana pancake and flip it over, and now it should look like that. Wow, so beautiful and pretty. Now I'll cut it up to 8 slices like a pizza, and I'll serve it and eat it. I hope it's yummy. Let's eat it and serve. The banana pancake was so yummy. I ate the whole entire slice. I give it thumbs up of approval. Now I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!